A famous quote is thus: "It's not happy people who are thankful, it is thankful people who are happy." The sentiments of Mr. Anthony Raj, our silver jubilarian today would be: "The Lord has done marvelous things in my life. He is good and splendid."
Good evening, everyone. I consider it as a great privilege and honor for me to appreciate and thank the 25 years of dedicated service of Mr. Anthony Raj, the silver jubilarian of this year. In the name of the management, staff, students, parents and the well-wishers, I appreciate you, dear sir, for your dedicated service. In you I find a person who is totally dedicated to your service in the name of the management. Your availability and your initiative in taking pains to fulfill the thought and word of the management is something very much to be appreciated. As you celebrate 25 years of dedicated service, I wish you God's choicest blessing and the maternal protection of our Blessed Mother and the supporting, guiding presence of St. Don Bosco. May God bless you.
Mr. Anthony Raj was born on 6th of October 1970. Mr. Devadas, retired superintendent of customs, and his mother Angelina Clara is a homemaker. His native place is Pandurti, near Pannikankuppam. He did his college studies at St. Joseph's College, Trichy. He got married to Mrs. Jacqueline Subhashini, lecturer in English, on 27th of October 1997. He has an active and intelligent daughter, Pravina Auraki Mary. At present, Pravina is working as design engineer in TCS. Mr. Anthony Raj was appointed as BT Assistant in Science on 6th of June 1994, exactly 25 years ago.
So I'm happy to talk about Mr. Anthony Raj, a known person for more than 25 years, friendly with everyone, especially he relates well with the boys and girls of our school. Since I knew him from 1995, I can say a lot about Anthony, and a man with whom I can trust. We can take him to conference because any work to be done, call Anthony Raj, will be available, and he will always say yes. And he was a committed teacher, available for school at any time. I'm happy to wish him all the best when he completes 25 years of service in Don Bosco. May his tribe grow day by day. Thank you.
Mr. Anthony Raj, our additional vice principal, is one of the strong pillars of our school. He has traveled 25 years with this school. These 25 years have been a very important years, both in his life and in the life of the school. He can put his hand in any field, be it of academic or non-academic, and has always landed successful.
Good evening. This is one of the best moments of your life, where I feel very much proud and very happy to speak about one of the best person and the person whom I admire most. Anthony sir, I am very much happy to say a few words about him, that as a teacher, I have learned many things from him. Now what I am is only because of him. Each and every quality I have learned from him, and is one of the greatest asset for us. And I have learned many good qualities from him. One of the best quality what I have learned from him is helping others, and how to treat students, and how to tackle any situation of any kind. In Tamil there is a saying that Karanai say Palanai Edupakari, and he is the best example for that saying, where I have never seen him expecting anything from anybody, whoever he helps, because he is one of the best person I have seen in my life. I have learned many things from him, and what I am now is purely because of him. So I wish sir a very good health and a great what he has to continue in the school, and whatever he has done so far to many people and to me personally, I am very much happy and very much proud to speak about him here. So I thank you, sir, for everything what you have done to me, and I wish you once again a good health, and I am praying for you every day and for your family. Wish you all success in your life. Thank you.
Mr. Anthony Raj is a good decision maker, very good designer. He can handle any difficult situation, is humorous, and he never refuses help to anyone in need. He has good commanding power. He maintains healthy and good relationship with the students and staff. He is always supportive of the management and is a hard worker.
Hi, good evening everybody. I take immense pleasure to speak about our Silver Jubilee, Mr. Anthony Raj. He is a good human being, and I can say that he is one of the living fossils of humanity. He is very kind and helpful. He always knows that when to lend his hands to the needy people. His foresight is awesome and unbelievable. He is good in positive attitude. I expect that his positive attitude should be infectious so that it spread all over the place. I wish Silver Jubilean to have many years of dedicated service. Thank you.
He is respectful, he is kind and gentle, and he can collaborate with everyone.
Congratulations, Mr. Anthony. Wish you many more years of fruitful and dedicated service. You are a wonderful person, always with the management. And we have to thank you for the sacrifices you have made for the growth of this great institution. You have sacrificed even your family time to be in the school for the growth of the students and the school. And for this, we have to thank and congratulate your wife and your daughter. May God bless you with many, many more years of dedicated and happy service. I am sure your students will remember you for many, many more years to come. Wish you good health of mind, body and spirit. Congratulations on the Silver Jubilee of your service. Long live Don Bosco, Puducherry.
He is very understanding, he is a good photographer and very generous by nature.
Good evening, dear staff, dear Anthony sir. I am really happy to say a few words about Mr. Anthony Raj, one of the pillars of our school. As he celebrates his Silver Jubilee, 25 years of service in this institution, I would like to say 3 points. The first one is a best teacher that we can very well find out from the students. He makes everything simple for them to understand. All the students have experienced that. And the second one is a very good organizer. The programs that we give, he will plan minutely and he will execute it beautifully, and he will add colors in the programs. That is another best quality that I have found in him. And the third one, he is a man of friends, we can call. He will make friendship beautifully, and he also maintains the friendship all these years. That is another best quality that all may not have, but he has got that quality. On this beautiful day, I wish you all the best, sir, and may God bless you abundantly, and we pray for you, and we do need your service in the coming years. Wish you all the best and have a nice evening. Thank you, sir.